Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful natural hazards on Earth, tropical cyclones. A tropical cyclone is a rotating system of clouds and storms that forms over warm ocean waters and can stretch for hundreds of kilometers, bringing devastating wind, rain, and flooding. But why are they called tropical cyclones? They are called tropical because they form in the tropics, between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. And they are called cyclones because they rotate around a central low-pressure point in a spiraling motion, known as cyclonic rotation. Depending on where they form, they go by different names. In the Atlantic Ocean, they are called hurricanes. In the Pacific Ocean, they are known as typhoons. And in the Indian Ocean, they are referred to simply as cyclones. How do these massive storms form? These storms only develop in source regions, and only when three key conditions occur at the same time. First, the ocean surface must be warm, at least 26.5 degrees Celsius. This heats the air above, causing it to rise rapidly. The air holds large amounts of moisture, which becomes fuel for the cyclone. Second, there must be strong winds at the surface, which draw this warm, moist air upward into the atmosphere. As it rises, the air cools and condenses into clouds, releasing latent heat. This process adds more energy to the storm. Third, there must be a strong Coriolis effect, a force caused by the Earth's rotation. This force makes the rising air begin to spin, shaping the storm into its spiral form. A fun fact about the Coriolis effect. In the northern hemisphere, it deflects winds to the right. In the southern hemisphere, winds deflect to the left. This is why tropical cyclones spin anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. As warm air continues to rise, it creates a low-pressure zone at the surface. Air from surrounding areas rushes in, and the storm begins to spin and intensify. At the center is the eye, which is calm, clear, and relatively quiet. Surrounding it is the eye wall, where winds are strongest and rainfall is heaviest, often exceeding 118 kilometers per hour. If the storm remains over warm water, it continues to grow in strength. Tropical cyclones are measured using different regional scales. In the Atlantic, the Saffir-Simpson scale is used. It classifies cyclones into 5 categories based on wind speed. Category 1, 119 to 153 kilometers per hour, minimal damage. Category 2, 154 to 177 kilometers per hour, moderate damage. Category 3, 178 to 208 kilometers per hour, major damage. Category 4, 209 to 251 kilometers per hour, severe damage. Category 5, over 252 kilometers per hour, catastrophic damage. Eventually, the cyclone moves over land or cooler waters and begins to lose energy or dissipate, as it is no longer fueled by warm ocean temperatures. Before it dies out, however, it can cause massive destruction, including flooding, landslides, storm surges, and damaging winds. In summary, tropical cyclones are large, rotating storms powered by warm ocean water, rising air, and the spinning motion of the Earth. Understanding how they form helps us predict, prepare, and protect lives when nature unleashes its fury. Thank you for watching Geography with Ms. Bailey. Please like, subscribe, and share.